Got this lovely blue F40, obviously this has had a respray because all F40s left the factory in Rosso Corsa, but looks insane. Got another F50 over there, F50 here, got an Enzo, and yeah, loads of other bits of lovely bits around here. And we've got this 599 GTO as well, normal 599 California, Punta Bath. So yeah, this is the J Macari's service station. We've got some awesome cars, awesome cars. That's a 288 GTO. Oh my god. Stunning Delta Ferrari here at the Dorchester, along with yet another 288 GTO. Amazing to see two of these today. So rare. £2.5 million now, and the stunning dark green FF with a chocolate interior. Yeah, really different, but very cool to see just outside the Dorchester. So yeah, and I'm obsessed with this. I mean, a 40 number plate though. That might be what the guy also drives. Yeah, really cool.